Bring your notebook and pen with you right now. All of you. And show me over your screen.
Ma'am, computer notebook.
Yes, fair notebook.
Okay.
Please mute yourself. I hope you all have your notebook. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Open your notebook and write down the heading, that is chapter number 3, working with queries, forms and report. Very good. Very good, students. I hope screen is very much clear to you, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Yes. The first question is, write down in your notebook, what is query? Name the part of query window. What is query?
Ma'am, we have to write. What?
Yes, you have to write in the same class. What is query? Name the part of a query window.
And we will do question answers.
Yes, these are all are the question answer. You all have to do it right now. After that, you have to share me on my email address before 4 p.m. Fine? Okay, what is query? Name the part of query window. According to you, what is query?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
A simple question that you.
A query is a simple question that you ask to find a specific information from the database.
Very good, very good. Means whenever we are retrieving data from a table, that is query for a specific condition. Okay, so write down in a very proper manner. All of you write down in a very proper manner, that is query is a database object that allows you to retrieve information from one or more database. Query is a database object that allows you to retrieve information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition. If there is a specific condition, we can retrieve that data. Or we are having one more option. What is that option? What is that option? Criteria. We are using criteria in query. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are using query for retrieving the data from the table, and we are using or function or property whenever we are retrieving the data from multiple tables. Am I right? Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Part of a query windows are what?
No, ma'am.
Sorry? Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Parts of a query window are query wizard and query design. We already discussed these two parts in MS Access. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Query wizard and query design. Very good, very good. Query wizard and query design are the two parts of a query window where we can create our query from the tables. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Query is a database object that allows
Your
you
screen is not visible.
all rest of the student. My screen is visible to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Excuse
okay.
me. Excuse me,
Yes,
Sunita
ma'am.
ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning. A very good morning to all
Good
of you.
morning, ma'am.
All the students, yes. Please just focus what ma'am is teaching you. Isn't it? You're looking here and there. And some of the students, beta, you're not in uniform. Why? Every day you're supposed to be in a uniform. Okay? And just focus what ma'am is saying and reply because the screen was visible to me. Sunita ma'am, it's visible. It was visible to me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? And you can carry on. Carry on
Yes,
with your
ma'am.
work.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Yes, students. Done, everyone. Query is a database object that
No, ma'am.
allows
No, ma'am.
you to retrieve information. This is the first question. Take your time, do it very well in a very proper handwriting. After that, you have to submit it. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
And all the 26 students, I need your email. Nobody will share me on the WhatsApp. All will share
Ma'am, I
me
have
on email
submitted
address. Fine?
you the true false and fill in the blanks.
Yes, yes, yes. I received it. Thank you. So, part of a query wizard. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write till the end.
Yes. There are only 5 questions in your book. No problem. If you are facing any problem, if you are not getting any of the word, you can ask me. I will repeat it again. If you are facing any problem, query is a database object that allows
I am
you.
writing in my rough copy and I will write in my fair copy.
Why you are
Arav,
writing
you're not
in
writing. Arav, why are you not writing? Arav,
I am taking out the book.
beta, you should keep your books ready. Books and copies should be ready before you start with the class. Okay? From tomorrow onwards, today onwards, whatever classes you're having, keep your books and copies ready. Your pencil box, whatever is a requirement, you please keep everything ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm repeating again. Query is a database object that allows you to retrieve information.
I'm done.
From done. Okay, no problem. Once again, from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria specified by user. Parts of a query window are: first is query wizard and second one is query design. Now it's clear? Okay. All of you, please, if you are having any query, you can
Ma'am,
go
done.
through. If you okay. Second question is
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I want to know what is parameter
Yes.
query.
Parameter query, whenever you are giving some parameter like your age must be 10 to 30, your class will be 6 to 8. These are the parameters. These are the criteria. Fine? Whenever we are giving some criteria like 20 to 30, 6 to 8, these are the parameters. Okay, now comes on next question, that is, what do you understand by criteria? What do you understand by
Criteria.
criteria? Okay. Write down in your notebook. This is your second question. What do you understand by criteria? Write down the answer as well. The criteria is a property. As we already discussed, what is the criteria? Any one of you?
Ma'am, on the basis which records can be filtered.
Very good. On which basis we are getting the output of the query, on which basis the record will be filtered? Fine. Okay. So you can write down in a very proper manner in your notebook. The criteria is a property. The criteria is a property which contains the condition on the basis of which the record will be filtered in the query output.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, what we are doing?
we are doing question answer of chapter number 3rd.
Okay, ma'am.
You joined late?
Ma'am, once can you show? Ma'am, once can you show question number 1?
Class.
Okay, we will discuss later on. You can continue with the second question.
Okay, ma'am.
Give it a space and continue with the second question. If you are facing any problem, if you are missed a question, we can discuss it later, no problem. Okay, start with the criteria is a property. This is your question number 2nd. The criteria is a property which contains the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. Abhinandan, can you please keep your video mode on? Priyanka Saxena. Everyone, please be on video mode on, please. Please. Okay, fine. Priyanka? Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Question number 3rd is difference between form and report. Yesterday we discussed what is a report, how can we create report. We discussed in the previous session what is form, how can we create form, how can we format form. So what do you
Ma'am,
understand?
once
What
can you
is
show the second question again?
okay? So what is the difference between form and report now, according to you? Any one of you?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, anyone please tell me the difference between form and report.
Ma'am, this is the third question now. Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं?
Yes. Yes, please. Okay, look at here. Yeah, sure.
In general, a form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in a specific field. Likewise,
good.
in Microsoft Access 2016, form work quite similar to it. Forms allow you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table.
Okay, wait, Aisha, wait. Can you please keep your video mode on, first of all? Thank you. So you are saying like form is a piece of paper where you are fill all the required details and the information in a specific field. Fine. And what about the report? What about the report? When we are getting the complete information in a very organized manner. Am I right, everyone?
Ma'am, in a printable
This is
format.
yes, this is the same thing with the MS Access. Like you're fine. You can write down in your notebook now. A form is a piece of paper. A form is a piece of paper on which user fills the required information in the specified fields. A form is a piece of paper on which users fill the required information in the specified fields. Now, what is report?
Ma'am, done.
Report, okay, very good. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. Means whenever you want to view the complete report, you can go to the report view. Whenever you want to get the print the report, you can go to the print preview.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha, you are writing or not? Aisha, are you writing or not? Please
Yes,
show me
ma'am,
your
I'm
notebook. Please show me your notebook. Okay, very good. Okay. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, okay. Don't worry. A form is a piece of paper on which user fills the required information in the specified
done.
field. Okay, report is an effective way to organize and summarize the data for viewing or printing. I think it's now.
Ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now next question is, what is a form and how is it useful? You have to write down in the same manner as I was writing in the presentation.
Ma'am, can you show again?
Which slide? Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You can show again?
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes. That is question number 4. What is a form and how is it useful? So please tell me why we are using form in MS Access. Any one of you?
Ma'am, to organize data efficiently.
Very good. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
it also creates a user-friendly interface.
Very good. It also creates user-friendly interface, and we are able to add new data and update our record timely. Fine. So you can write in MS Access because we are not working on paper form. We are working on MS Access form. So please mention in MS Access Fine, everyone? In MS Access, form is the method. In MS Access, form is the method where a user fills the required information in the specific fields. We can write down the same manner. In MS Access, form is the method where a user fills the required information in the specific fields. There are number of fields like roll number, your name, your class, your father's name, your address. These are some fields where you can write your information. Your name must be there in the name field. Your roll number must be there in the roll number field. Okay, it is useful by following ways. Now, what are the ways we can say it is useful? So we can write here like first point is it allows to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. It allows to add, we can add and update our data. Means what is the meaning of update? When we are removing something and we are updating something new. Means if your name is Gauransh and you want to write over the Aisha, okay, means you are removing Gauransh and you are updating the name from Aisha. So MS Access Forms allows you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, no problem.
Done.
Next point is it is a convenient way of entering
done.
data, because when we are because when we are writing, when we are entering data in the table, it will be a very difficult. So if we are using form, the complete form is there and we are able to enter the data in a very convenient manner. Fine? Done, everyone? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. We have to wait 1 or 2 minutes more. Done, everyone? Yes, done?
Ma'am, done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, no
Ma'am,
problem.
done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
I'm done.
No problem, I understand this
I'm
is
done. Ma'am, done.
Sagar, please sit properly. Okay. Shall we move?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
Next, the last question is, how can you export a report to a Word file? Do you remember our last session? We discussed how can we export a report to a Word file
Yes,
from MS
ma'am.
Access? Do you remember complete
Yes, ma'am.
steps? Very good. So the first step is click on View button, and you can find View button on which tab? You can find View button in the Home tab. Then you have to click Print Preview. Select Print Preview. Select Print Preview. The next point is on the Data tab, click on More. and select Word, because you are exporting your report to the Word file. Any doubt, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to click on OK. After selecting more and then select the word, you have to click on OK. After that, there is a notification screen will appear. Do you remember that the notification screen? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. After that, the notification screen will appear. After that, we need to close the button. So click on close. Click on close.
I'm done.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
I'm
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, can I send you the homework right now?
Wait, you are having a quiz also. You can give that quiz. After that, you can submit me. No problem. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Excuse me.
I'm done.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, please ask me.
Yesterday I was operating MS Access and when I closed it, ma'am, when I opened it again from the MS Access, ma'am, it showed that I can display it.
I'm not getting your query properly. Can you please repeat it again?
Ma'am, I am telling in the chat box.
Okay, no problem. Done,
Ma'am,
everyone?
once can you show the first question again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is the first question. Don't be confused between the first and fifth question. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Right now, I need to stop sharing my screen first. All of you, please show me your notebook first. Very good. Very good. Good. Goransh, Harshit, Khushi. Very good. Aisha, please show me your notebook. Good. Goransh, your notebook. Okay, all of you, please do one thing. In the chat box, I'm sharing a link with you. You can give a quick test. Very good. Ma'am, okay, once again. Yes, student, can you please go through with this link and give the test right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, yesterday I was operating MS Access. So, ma'am, I saved it and when I closed it, I reopened it, ma'am, everything was clear. Okay. Arav, I'll resolve your query now. Be there.
Yes, ma'am.